thumbnail. I have to make a YouTube thumbnail. Which one is that? Website, no. How big is that YouTube thumbnail?
What's that?
How big is that YouTube thumbnail?
How big is the YouTube
Thumbnail.
thumbnail?
Yeah.
I don't know. I go to Canva, so it just comes automatically.
Mhm.
What? 1280 by 720 pixels.
Yeah. Let me.
Teardrops are falling from your eyes. Oh, I don't want to snack because I might spoil my dinner. There's some lovely meat and soup with cabbage. I love soup. I love soup. Doo, 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 doo. Doo, 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 doo. Okay, I did laundry today. Let me fold some of my clothes.
Oh, very good for you. You are going to fold. Mine, I'm still dripping. Mine is still dripping.
Yes, this is my shots at home. I'm going to really miss Philippines when I leave. You and your Spanish eyes will wait for me.
Elements. I forgot how to use this one now.
What's that?
I forgot to use everyone now. This one now I forgot to use because I'm not used to this anymore for so long.
I turned the fan little more towards me.
Undo. How to undo?
Undo what? See, there's an undo somewhere. There must be an undo button somewhere. You have to do it fast, otherwise it will go through. It won't become undo later on.
Yeah, right. Mm,